coming in, it was quite the recovery that we saw the Wall Street staging when you take a look at the kind of moves that we've had coming in for the major averages that are coming off a winning session, securing a gain for the month as well. S&P 500 rose about 2.3%. In August, at one point, it was down about 7%. So that's quite the recovery coming in, at least when the month of August is concerned. And Dow as well as NASDAQ advanced 1.8% and 0.7% respectively during that period as well. Let's also take a quick look at oil then. Let's also shift over to the world of commodities and move the spotlight there. Oil prices extended losses, with investors weighing higher OPEC plus production from October against a sharp drop in output from Libya coming in as well. So that is the kind of tussle that oil markets have been going through, and there's also sluggish demand in China as well as the US that the market is keeping a very close eye on. But when you take a look at levels, you're looking at Brent crude at around a downtick of about 0.7% coming in for Brent crude. Around $76 a barrel is where that one was at. And when you take a look at US WTI as well, you're taking a look at a slip coming in of about 0.7% there as well. $73 a barrel is where the levels were, and the losses followed a 3.3% decline for Brent last week, as well as a 1.7% drop for WTI coming in. So that's the kind of handover that we had in terms of the moves last week when it comes to oil. Lastly, let's take a quick look at gold as well, because gold prices dipped as the dollar strengthened as well, while investors are of course awaiting that key US jobs data to firm their bets on the size of the Federal Reserve's rate cuts as well. And that is something that the gold market is keeping a very close eye on. But for now, spot gold was down about 0.3%. Around those $2,500 per ounce levels is where gold was also at. So that is the kind of handover that we have this morning as well. Now, of course, back home, when we take a look at where we close around the 25,278 levels. And currently what is being penciled in is a good start coming in, at least on a spot basis. Futures